Hey everyone, it's Andrew. Welcome back to my channel, Everything Tech. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing and review of the Mkeke iPhone clear case for the iPhone 14 Pro. I received this in the mail today from the company for review in this video, and so what we'll plan on doing is we'll do a quick unboxing, we'll take a look at the case, and we'll go over its general specifications, and then I'll provide my overall first impressions. I will say that for this video, I do not personally have an iPhone 14 Pro yet, and so I can't test the actual case on a phone. However, for those of you that are interested in potentially purchasing this case, I hope this video is helpful for making that decision. Okay, so this is the Mkeke iPhone clear case for the iPhone 14 Pro. You can get this on Amazon currently for a price of $16.99. They also make a version for the iPhone 14 Pro Max that comes at a price of $18.99. I'll leave links in the description below to Amazon if you're potentially interested in purchasing this case. First off, we'll go over the box real quickly. The box is kind of simple and elegant. It has the Mkeke label on the front. It says it's a clear case and then shows a picture of the actual case. There's nothing really on the top or sides, and then on the back here it lists some general specifications. It says it's premium TPU plus PC material, which offers extra protection from sudden dropping and that it's scratch resistant. It says it's a precise design that ensures no impact on wireless charging and that it fits snugly over the buttons and curves over your device without adding bulk. And then lastly, it says it's a crystal clear case that reveals and enhances the original color of your phone. Beyond that, it doesn't really list anything. If you need the specific model number, it's listed here, which is model K22-14-6.1P. And then on the bottom here, it says it's a 14 Pro case in clear. Beyond that, there's not much to the case. We'll get this open real quick. On the front here, or on the side here, it does have a little tab that says open, so we'll kind of elevate this if we can do this quickly, and that allows the top to tear off, which is a general nice feature. And then we'll take out the actual case from the box, so bear with me for a second. So it has a pull tab like this. There's nothing else in the box. We'll just take a look here. There's kind of packaging. We'll just put that to the side. And then the case kind of comes in this plastic wrapping. We'll just open this up and take a look at what's inside. So that's everything. We'll put the packaging to the side. So this is the case. We'll just kind of go over it real quick. So that's what it looks like. So basically it is a plastic kind of rubber material case. It's not a hard plastic, it's like a rubbery soft material. On the sides here you have a button cover here as well as over here for the volume kind of features on your phone. There's an opening here where there's actually an opening in the case for the typical area for the volume on off switch, and then on the back here there is an opening for the actual camera for the phone, as well as on the bottom here. What it looks like, it has two separate holes for usually where the speakers are on an iPhone, as well as a hole for the actual charging cable. That's pretty much it for the case. It is completely clear. It is kind of a sleek, elegant design. I personally do not have an iPhone 14 Pro, so I can't provide a comparison side by side or on an actual iPhone 14 Pro. But this is a side-by-side comparison for to the current phone I have, which is the iPhone 11 Pro, which is and this is an OtterBox Defender. So it's a little bit smaller and sleeker as far as the design for that. So for those of you that are interested in potentially purchasing this case, it is a much sleeker design. It really will just slip over your phone without much difficulty. And the nice part about it is because it is clear, it allows you to see the Apple logo, the Apple feature, like design of the phone. So for those of you that like seeing your iPhone like iPhone and seeing it through the case, this case will be a great option if you are looking for a clear case. So that's really all I have for this video. I can't really speak to putting it actually on a phone, and I can't speak to drop testing because I don't have a phone. However, for those of you that are interested in potentially purchasing this case, this is the Mkeke iPhone clear case for the iPhone Pro, and you can get it for $16.99 on Amazon. There's a link in the description below if you're interested in purchasing it. And I will say that because I do not have an iPhone 14 Pro, if you're interested in potentially getting this actual case in this video, you can just use my email under my channel name, and you can reach out to me directly if you want to get this case. So that's really all I have. Remember that Mkeke is an option for your phone. And if you have questions, comments, please post them below. And thanks for watching, and please subscribe and like my video.